Level 1, the first request. You get the message at 2 a.m., a stranger on a private forum. No profile picture, no name, just a number. They need a face swapped onto a video, nothing crazy, a 30-second clip. Someone talking to a camera. They offer $80. You've done this before. Not for money, just for fun. Just to see if you could. You say yes. The software is already on your laptop. You learned it on YouTube 6 months ago, just out of curiosity. You run the model, feed it the source face, feed it the target video, let it render overnight. In the morning, it's done. You watch it back. The mouth moves perfectly. The lighting matches. The blinking is natural. You can't tell it's fake. You send the file, $80 lands in your crypto wallet 40 minutes later. You close the laptop, you don't think much of it. Not yet. Level 2, the second job. 3 days later, the same number messages you again. This time the offer is $300. Same type of job. A face, a video, a swap. But the clip is longer and the person in the original footage is reading something, a statement. Something that sounds legal or financial. You don't ask what it's for. That's the first rule you learn without anyone telling you. You don't ask, you run the model, you refine the skin tone, you fix the jawline blending, you adjust the eye movement because the blink rate was slightly off. You're getting better. The output is cleaner than the first one, smoother, more convincing. You send it, $300, you buy a new GPU. Now the renders are faster, sharper, you start experimenting. You pull in training data from public social media accounts. You build a custom face model in 48 hours. You realize something sitting there at your desk at midnight in the blue glow of 3 monitors. You're not just running software anymore. You're building something. Level 3, the community. There's a channel, invite only. You get pulled in by the guy with no name. Inside, there are maybe 40 people, developers, editors, a few people who only deal in data, a few who only deal in money. Everyone has a specialty. You are the face guy. Jobs come in through a ticketing system, clean, organized, shockingly professional. Someone needs a CEO to appear on a call. Someone needs a politician to say something they never said. Someone needs a dead relative to record a voice message for a grieving family. That last one makes you pause. But the money attached to it is $1,200, and they say the family requested it. You tell yourself that. You do the job. The face in the video is a man in his 60s. You stitch his face from old home videos someone uploaded. His eyes carry this warmth that you didn't put there. The model just learned it from the footage. You render it. You watch it back. He says happy birthday to his daughter. You feel something you weren't expecting. You close the window. You don't watch it again. You submit the file. Level 4, the upgrade. You're not using consumer tools anymore. You've built your own pipeline, custom diffusion model, real-time face synthesis, lip sync that's frame perfect at 4K. Other people in the channel start coming to you, not for jobs, for advice. You start charging for that too. The no-name guy introduces you to someone new, different energy, quieter, more precise in how he types. He tells you he works for a group. He doesn't say what group. He tells you they have a different class of work. He sends you a sample job. It's not a video this time. It's a full identity package. A face that doesn't belong to anyone. A synthetic person. Constructed from a blend of thousands of real faces. No single source. Completely undetectable by standard forensic tools. He wants you to build the face engine. The offer is $18,000, flat rate, upfront. You sit with it for 6 hours, then you accept. Level 5. The architect. You are no longer editing videos. You are building people, full synthetic identities. The face is just the start. The group has specialists who handle the documentation layer, the voice, the behavioral fingerprint, the digital history. Your job is the face engine, the visual core. Every fake person starts with you. You build a generation system that produces a new, unique, undetectable human face in 11 seconds. No two are alike. None of them exist, but they have LinkedIn profiles, email chains, video call histories, bank accounts in 3 different countries. You start to understand the scale. This isn't about embarrassing someone online. This is infrastructure, fraud infrastructure, at a level so far above what most people imagine that the word fraud doesn't feel adequate. You're running on a server farm now, rented under a company that doesn't exist, paid in currency that doesn't leave traces. Your cut is $4,000 a week. You move out of your apartment. You rent a house with blackout curtains and a dedicated fiber line. You don't tell anyone what you do. When your family asks, you say you're in tech consulting.